didn't.
You are funny. When are you going to use real words? Hey, Warren, we only drove on the wrong side of the street once today, and we drove on what they call a sidewalk, but it sure looks like a superhighway to me.
Aren't you glad you're not with Grandma?
Hey, it had this serious parking lot. We need to go take a picture of that, Brittany. I mean, it was like a parking lot, okay?
You're not focused on Warren. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Warren, hi.
Can you say hi to Grandma? Good job. Hi.
Are you going to give me a kiss? Mwah.
Can you blow her a kiss? We've been working on it, Grandma. Blow her a kiss. Go mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
Get closer.
Yeah.
It's all the way in Germany.
This is funny. See, this is what I'll have to do with Jasmine's children. But I won't have to change any poopy diapers either.
Hey, tell Grant, where's your nose?
Where's your nose, Warren? Show Grandma where your nose
Where's
is.
your nose?
Where's your nose? Is it your nose? Show me your nose.
That is your nose.
That is your nose, Grandma.
Sure.
Oh, I was like, where's your nose?
Where's your nose, Warren? Warren, where's your nose?
He's too worried about why Grandma's in this little box.
Where's your nose?
Where are your ears? You got ears?
Yeah?
Show Grandma your nose. Show her your nose. We might close on you. Oh.
I don't let Warren tap on my keyboard at home.
Well, that's because you're lame.
That's because I work on my keyboard.
We all work.